PyChart, a versatile charting library for Flutter that supports various chart types, including line charts, bar charts, and pie charts. Notable features: customizable, supports animations, and provides a smooth user experience. Firebase_auth Flutter package provides a set of Flutter plugins to enable Firebase authentication features in your Flutter applications. It allows developers to easily integrate user authentication using popular sign-in methods such as email/password, Google Sign-in, Facebook Login, and more. Flutter Package is designed to provide easy access to device location information. It enables developers to retrieve the current location of the device, monitor location changes, and perform geocoding, converting addresses into geographic coordinates, and reverse geocoding, finding an address from coordinates. The Flutter Toast package is a simple and lightweight Flutter plugin that allows developers to show toast messages in their applications. Toast messages are brief, non-intrusive notifications that appear at the bottom of the screen, providing feedback or information to the user without interrupting the overall user experience. The Google_ML_Kit Flutter package is a plugin that allows developers to integrate Google's ML Kit into their Flutter applications. ML Kit provides pre-trained machine learning models for various tasks, enabling developers to easily incorporate powerful machine learning capabilities without requiring expertise in machine learning algorithms. The Flutter_TDS Flutter package is designed to provide text-to-speech functionality for Flutter applications. It allows developers to convert text into spoken words, making it useful for creating accessibility features, voice-guided applications, or any scenario where synthesized speech is required. The Image_Picker Flutter package is a simple and versatile plugin that allows developers to access the device's camera or gallery to pick images. It streamlines the process of capturing new images or selecting existing ones for use within a Flutter application. Google_Maps_Flutter Flutter package allows developers to embed Google Maps within their applications. It provides a Flutter widget that can be used to display interactive maps, add markers, polylines, and polygons, and respond to user interactions with the map. The Flutter Polyline Points Flutter package is designed to simplify the process of drawing polylines on maps within a Flutter application. It provides functionality to decode encoded polylines and calculate the coordinates for drawing polylines on various map providers, including Google Maps and others. The Date_Picker_Plus Flutter package is designed to enhance date picking capabilities within Flutter applications. It offers an extended date picker widget with added features, allowing developers to choose dates easily. It includes features like date range selection, customizable styling, and internationalization.